Hi, welcome to this short demo on how to use Akave Cloud with our MCP server using Claude AI. I'm Bart Hofkin, Solutions Architect at Akave, and I'll be demonstrating today how to connect an LLM to Akave Cloud using an MCP server, a simple way to integrate with our decentralized storage using natural language. During this demo, I'll show you how to configure MCP with Claude Desktop, create a bucket, upload a file, and then share a pre-signed URL so you can easily share your data with others. This flow will enable you to easily converse with an LLM that knows how to work with Akave, enabling you to ask it questions in natural language while maintaining the benefits of Akave like provable, verifiable, immutable storage, decentralization, and a simple S3 compatible command structure. To use the Akave MCP, all it takes are Akave credentials and an LLM that supports MCP like Claude, which you can download on Claude AI, as the desktop version is required for usage with MCP. So to configure access to our MCP server in Claude Desktop, we open the desktop version, go into Settings, and then we click on Developer. Then we go to Edit Config, and it'll open this Claude Desktop config.json. Go ahead and open that with a text editor. And here, we're going to copy-paste the Akave MCP configuration from our documentation, along with credentials for Akave Cloud, which you can request on akave.com. Once you've done this, just save the file, and then you'll need to restart Claude Desktop. Now that it's been restarted, we can go ahead and ask it to start working with our decentralized storage. I'll start by asking it to create a bucket on the Akave network. The LLM is smart enough to know to use Akave, and it's created that demo bucket, and now we'll upload a file to it. Now that we have that bucket created, I'll just run a ls command to the AWS CLI to make sure it's in there. And we can see that the test file was uploaded. Going back into Claude, I'll now ask it to generate a pre-signed URL. You can see that it's generated one, and it defaults to expire in 1 hour. Copy this URL, paste it into a browser, and you should see that it downloads. And there we go. Just like that, we've created a bucket, uploaded a file, created a pre-signed URL for it, and downloaded it back to our desktop. Here's our file. Using our handy O3 API, you can easily migrate all your data from your current cloud provider to the Akave network to save on costs. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to connect with us, scan the QR code on the left to talk to our sales team, or join our Telegram group on the right to learn more about Akave and get access to updates for our development tools. Thank you.